Hi there, this is Jordan with BathWraps, and I am at the home of Allison Sale in Glastonbury, Connecticut, and today we are here to do another one-day BathWraps transformation. So let's go in and get the day started.
Some of the issues with the current bath area are, as you can see, this is fiberglass. It is 30 years old. It has had to be reglazed. As you can see, it's fall. And I was getting a little bit of mold and mildew up at the top. So I think having a shower that is full up to the top will make a big difference. What I'm excited about most is having a walk-in shower for the safety purposes and just a bright new bathroom for myself. So I chose BathWraps because it's maintenance free. It will be a great safety choice for me as far as having a walk-in, and it really sounded to me like it was exactly what I wanted.
All right, Allison, well, Dylan is here and he is ready to get the install started. So let's get out of his way and get this one-day bathroom transformation going. Are you excited to see your new bathroom?
I am so excited to see the new bathroom. Let's get started.
All right, let's do it. All right, Allison, are you ready to see your brand new walk-in shower?
I am so ready.
Let's go see it.
Okay. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. It's so much larger. I love the subway tiles. You did a great job on everything. It looks amazing. Love it. Very happy. I mean, I've been through renovations before. Having it in one day is amazing.
Okay, Allison, well, it has been so much fun meeting you today, and I loved your reaction to seeing your brand new walk-in shower, and we really hope that you will enjoy it.
I will.
Awesome.
Thoroughly.
Great. All right. It was great meeting you.
You as well.
Yay.